In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run multiple instances of Google Chrome for various login accounts on your laptop. This is a super handy trick if you ever need to switch between different Google accounts without going through the hassle of logging in and out each time. It's going to save you so much time and keep things organized. So, let's dive right in and show you how this can be done step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. This is what we'll be using to set up and manage different profiles. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. It might be your picture or a generic silhouette, depending on your current settings. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, there's an option to manage people or add a new profile. You'll want to select this option. It's a small step, but crucial for getting started on the right foot. Once you've entered the Manage Profiles area, you will see all the existing profiles that you may have, plus an option to add a new one. Click on the Add or Add Person button. A new window will pop up asking you to create a new Chrome profile. Here, you can choose a name and a theme color for your new profile. Pick something that helps you easily distinguish this profile from others. This makes switching between them a breeze. Now, sign into your Google account within this new profile. If you use multiple accounts, this is where the magic happens. Each profile can be associated with a different Google account. This way, you can keep your bookmarks, history, and settings separate for each. You just need to log into the Google account that you want this profile to be tied to. Enter your email and password, and you're ready to go. After signing in, Chrome might ask you if you want to turn on Sync. This will sync bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. It's pretty handy, so you might want to say yes to that option. Now you can switch between profiles easily by clicking your profile icon again at the top right corner. Each profile will open in its own window, allowing you to access multiple Google accounts simultaneously. This is remarkably useful for switching between work and personal accounts, managing multiple businesses, or if you just want to keep things separate and organized. And that's it! You've set up multiple Google Chrome profiles for different login accounts on your laptop. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline your browsing experience, ensuring you stay signed in on each account and switch effortlessly between them. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the more organized you are, the more efficient you can be with your time. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video with another useful tip.